people, marriage problem.
Marriage wahala.
Marriage gbege. If this is your first time watching our channel, you're welcome. Thanks so much, our returning subscribers, our returning followers, people viewing our page, people following us. We want to use this time to say very big thank you. Thank you if you're watching MichelWisdom and HappyNancy. And if this is your first time watching us, follow our page, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that anytime we drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify you. So today we have been receiving a lot of messages, and today one is husband and wife. They are comparing their marriages to others. There are the big challenge they are facing in their marriage right now. Understand? So they send us message which I'm going to read. So pay attention, pay close attention, so that, because a lot of people are still passing through all this in their marriages today. This is not so sure. Let's read it out, because although we have sent our own messages, we have replied them, we have told them what to do, what have been helping us, and what have also helped other people also achieve successful marriage. So we're gonna read it out for you, and also let's go. So it say here, hello MichelWisdom and HappyNancy, good afternoon. I beg, we want to tell on something. You see, my husband and I don't they notice say our marriage no they shine like other people own where we they see. We don't they compare our own with them own, and if they make us the verse for body. We no one make our marriage come scatter like scatter. Now why we come meet owner for help? I beg owner fit give us advice on how we fit make our marriage sweet like sugar and our love they shine like sun. We go appreciate well if owner fit help us make we no go they feel like say we dey carry last for this marriage matter. Thank you. So my people, I don't hear them. The message where we dey receive with that. And you too, if you want to send us this kind of message, you are still free. Comment below in the comment section. We read all messages. This one was sent on our WhatsApp number. So my dear, what do you think about this message? Although we have replied them, but for our viewers there.
This kind of message, not be only these people.
Yes.
They pass through this particular wahala.
Exactly.
A lot of marriages today, they face this particular problem. As in, see what in this person say. He said that other people marriage, as in their own, no they shine like other people marriage. Then we say comparison. This person now don't they think say other people marriage they shine, whereby their own no they shine. Their own no they shine. Their own they black.
Their own less.
Then other people, but maybe or may not. I don't know. Don't be surprised that those people now, when we say these people now, they compare their marriage with their own marriage better pass their own.
It's possible.
So comparing your marriage to other people's marriage can bring a lot of damages.
Yes.
It can bring a lot of damages, and these damages is what we are going to discuss on this video.
So watch this video to the end.
Yes.
Remember to subscribe, hit on the notification bell so that anytime we drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify you, and follow our page on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, follow us on Facebook. Everywhere. Comparing your marriage can bring a lot of damages like jealousy.
Yes.
Jealousy. You see that jealousy, number one, your marriage no feel sweet to you again. And you feel the envy other people's marriage.
And you not even feel happy for them.
You not even feel happy for your own self, comfy. It could be like, nah, these people self they do.
as in anything that those people do,
Go dey pepper them.
as in
Go dey pepper you
and
for
even for when you are feeling envy, upset for people, you will not even feel contented with your own marriage or relationship, as in everywhere na pepper, you'll be very very angry. So jealousy can
you go be like small things instead of for you to celebrate them, you say wetin these people dey do, which kind thing.
So
see, e go come be like wetin dey call for Akwa Ibom language nsekpayaba fish. You know that fish, you get one fish for Akwa Ibom, that fish no dey like to enter net, and you no go still like other fish to enter net. Number one, you no go dey happy with your marriage, and you no go even
dey happy
with other people's marriage. Now you be say jealousy don dey enter also because you dey compare your marriage to
other people. And another thing that I remember that comparing your marriage to other people's marriage can bring is unrealistic expectation, or you can call it unreasonable expectation.
Exactly.
Because you'll be expecting, because you're comparing your marriage with other people's marriage. Now you'll be like, hey, see what these people are doing, I'm not doing it right. You'll be expecting more from yourself.
Even when you are doing enough, you think that
you're not doing anything. And another thing, you'll be expecting, let me say for example, you are a woman just like I'm a woman, and you see that someone else's husband is doing another thing that your husband is not doing, and you will be expecting your husband to start doing that thing that you see the other man is doing. That is, you are expecting more from your partner, which is very very bad. That is the work of comparison. Some
men will be like, are you not seeing your fellow woman?
Are
you not seeing their marriage?
Are you not seeing how they are doing? So comparing your marriage to other people, as in it will be a kind of, you are expecting more from your marriage, and when you are expecting what you cannot afford, you are not going to be happy.
The best is for you to learn from them. Don't stop comparing. If you see any good, you can learn from them, but don't be comparing yourself. Because see, let me tell you something. Every marriage, they are different. Okay. And all marriages are unique in their own way. Likewise, everyone is unique. All right.
Just like our face are different.
The same thing.
I think we look alike.
For where?
I find passive.
Comment below. Comment below. Do we look alike?
Do we look alike?
Tell us in the comment section.
I find passing.
So comment below. Tell us. So what we are trying to let you know right now is to
do not compare your marriage, because comparing your marriage with others can bring distraction. That is another thing. It can bring distraction, because that time that you are using to compare your marriage, you can use that time, that energy, to work on your marriage. It will, and when you are comparing your marriage to other people's marriage, and it will distract you. Exactly. Instead of you to put attention on work on your marriage, to improve on your marriage, you are busy comparing. Hey, see this one. See the clothes she's wearing today. See how the husband is doing.
Taking good care of.
See how the husband, the wife is doing. Hey,
instead of you to God well. You will be like, how I wish na this kind of man I'm married.
Hey, how I wish na this kind of woman was married.
This kind of man.
When that kind of thinking enter your brain.
When you see the person where you are driving, maybe they are living, you know, own better. God don't do all.
And don't be surprised, your own even better pass them.
Yeah.
But na packaging.
Can be like, God, when I don't even know where I married this kind of person for this life. But now you been see him now, I come fall in love with them.
Not be saying now you dey cause yourself. No, then not even the matter of now you see him. Now the person they do himself.
Exactly.
So now you dey do yourself, because you're comparing your marriage with other people's marriage. So try to work on your marriage. Every marriage is unique. Just like mine is unique. Your own is unique. The only thing that you need to do is work on your marriage. Both husband and wife. Work.
Both of you are special.
On your own way, you are unique.
Both of you are the best.
Of course, and we are proud of you.
Remember that.
So try to work on your marriage.
We love you so much. Remember, if you have not followed our page, make sure that you follow our page. Like this video, comment, share the video. Then go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, on the notification bell, so that anytime we drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify you. We love you.